What's up guys, today is Sunday and I just woke up ready to go and do a session of cardio, and I'm back on my fasted cardio stack, stress stack from Evogen Nutrition, which is liposide and carnigen. I'm gonna be mixing that 1 scoop of liposide, 2 scoops of carnigen. They both help to keep your appetite in control, burn fat, and also promotes energy. So let's get it done. My cardio session, and this is my breakfast. Right here I've got some chicken breast. It's already cooked, so I'm just warming it up. Around 80 grams of chicken breast, and then I'm gonna be adding 4 egg whites, 2 full eggs, and then just making it scramble. Just gonna add some salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna be adding oatmeal. These 2 servings is around 40 to 50 grams of oatmeal. So I'm going to be adding here made with water, and then I'm going to be adding some berries, and this is my breakfast. And here a little bit more, and this is my breakfast. And of course I'm going to be adding the Evo greens, 1 scoop every morning with 1 serving of Evo Vite. Meal number 2, we got some grilled chicken breast from yesterday's barbecue. We got some sweet potato oven baked. I eat a lot of sweet potato because they are easy to digest. I like the taste and it doesn't make me bloated. So this is meal number 2, and on top of that I'm gonna be doing fresh juice from spinach, celery, cucumber, apple, kiwi, and ginger. So this is meal number 2. Alright, so I'm just about to have my pre-workout stack. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of shoulder workout at home with some barbell, with some dumbbells, just to keep myself busy a little bit, and I feel good today. So my pre-workout is gonna be half a liter of the EVP AQ. I don't know if you can see properly because of the light. Half a liter of this, and then I'm gonna be having 1 full scoop of the EVP 3D. This is a steam-free pre-workout, more of a pump stack. Just try it out. I'm having my pre-workout right now. As I said, it's a more of a pump workout, no steam. But we're just gonna do a quick workout, quick pump. We got the barbell right here. We got some 10 kg plates, some 5 kg plates. We got some dumbbells. A little bit of resistance bands right here. So quick pump, half an hour to 45 minutes. Let's get it done. was a quick workout built at home using the barbell, using the dumbbells and the resistance cable. And that was my Sunday pump. Just checking the pump right now. So this is meal number 3. Right here we got some salmon cooked with a little bit of rice and just warming it up a little bit. It's just better taste, and I like the crispier taste a little bit more. And then I'm gonna be adding a little bit of soy sauce, low sodium for more taste. And that's it. This is my meal number 3. Meal number 4, we go chicken breast, sweet potato, just a little bit because it's 4th meal and I'm trying to cut down on carbs later in the day. And then I'm gonna be doing another juice from spinach, celery, cucumber, a little bit of apple, kiwi, ginger and lemon. So that's meal number 4. This is my last meal before bed. Right here we got some steak, we got some tomatoes, 4 egg whites, 1 full egg, no carbs last meal, because we're trying to keep the fat levels low and stay lean through the off season. But I'm gonna be having 1 scoop of evergreens before bed, just to help with digestion, bloating, and to keep